In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Wix website. Whether you've decided it's time to say goodbye to your old site or simply need to make room for a new project, I'll walk you through the simple steps to remove your Wix website completely. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Wix setup page. Open your web browser and head over to Wix's website. Once there, log in using your credentials. It's important to be logged in because that's where all the magic happens. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your Wix dashboard, which is your main hub for managing all things related to your Wix projects. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this view if you haven't already. It's laid out in a way that's user-friendly once you know where to look. Now, the next action you need to take is to locate the three dots icon. This icon is often referred to as the More Options menu. You should find this easily right on the dashboard next to the website you aim to delete. Clicking this will open a short drop-down menu with a few options. Ensure that you're selecting the correct site, especially if you have multiple projects running. It's worth noting that this action is carefully designed this way to prevent accidental deletions. Moving ahead, you will see an option labelled Move to Trash in that drop-down menu. Click on this option. A pop-up may appear asking you to confirm your choice. This is Wix giving you a final chance to change your mind, a helpful reminder that this action cannot be undone easily. Confirm your action to proceed. It's as straightforward as that, but always double check to make sure you're removing the correct website from your account. And there you have it, your chosen Wix website will be moved to trash. While in trash, it's not visible to the public or anyone else, providing peace of mind should you want to restore it shortly after. Remember though, that leaving it in trash for too long may lead to permanent deletion. This whole process only takes a few minutes, but it's crucial to follow each step attentively to ensure everything goes smoothly. Remember, if you're uncertain at any point, it's okay to pause and review the steps again. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you found this guide helpful. Feel free to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, take care and happy web managing.